Andy Hobiaca here with the one and only Lou Hobiaca, my father.
Are you in a sales position or do you run a sales team at your company? Kind of tired of not hitting your own personal sales goal and or your team not consistently hitting their goal every month? That sucks, doesn't it?
The problem is today's world, we're going about it all wrong. We're focusing on the stuff.
Wait a minute, Andy. I'm a homeowner, okay? And for me to keep my family safe and comfortable, right? We need stuff. We need heating, cooling, plumbing, drain, sewer, electric. We need stuff to keep the home going.
Well, the problem, Dad, is there's 40,000 other people in Phoenix, Arizona alone that sell that same stuff.
Okay, so I have a lot of options to buy stuff from. Why would I buy from you?
I'm going to teach you how to not only sell stuff to the homeowner, but as well create an amazing customer relationship of why you fall in love with me and my company like a friend, Lou. People buy from people they like and trust, right?
You know what? That sounds killer, Andy. I'm going to come to your sales talk this October at Service World. I think I'm going to walk away a better salesperson, and I think I'm going to be able to energize my team to have a killer year.
Please see us at Service World Expo. Let's get it, baby. Stop selling, start elving.